Good morning world, good morning ladies, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I just woke up and I decided to film because my soap press is long overdue. I mean, look at this. So I decided to come on camera and show you guys how I take care of it. So this is just my clipping. So I'm just gonna, first things first, I'm just gonna show you guys how the condition of my hair after wearing clip-in extensions. So I'm gonna take them off. Alright, so today I am going to use Aphogee's best-selling product. Yes, I'm pretty sure you all know it. It's their two-step protein treatment. And I'll show you how I go on about this. So what it does is it helps to stop breakage on even badly damaged hair when used as directed. It says it's for professional use only, but I mean, who listens to that, right? And so it says shake gently, so I'm going to shake the product so you guys can read it. Direction. So you can just pause it and read it. So they look like this. This is the first step and this is the second step. So first you have to go hop in the shower and wash your hair first. So what I'm going to do is, actually I thought about pre-pooing my hair with coconut oil. You see how itchy my scalp is? With coconut oil, because that's what I do every time I shampoo my hair. But for the sake of, I guess, the demonstration, I'm not going to pre-poo. I'm just going to use strictly these two products. Hey guys, so I just got out the shower and I washed my hair with Marc Anthony's Grow Long hair shampoo. I love this thing. It smells amazing. My hair smells amazing. Okay, so I washed my hair twice. So it's really dry right now. Like it snaps back, but it's really dry. I haven't used any type of conditioner, so my hair is really dry and it's low-key uncomfortable, but it's all for a purpose, right? Okay, so you have to towel blow dry your hair, which I did. By the way, this is how my hair looks. Oh, this is how my hair looks like. So remember these curls, okay? Which is not so bad, but I still have some heat damage here. It's always the back of my hair. I'm going to have to saturate my hair with this and then comb through. It's not fine tooth, it's not wide tooth, it's medium. Hit like that. And for some, I just want you guys to see the consistency. Whoa, it's so runny, man. So I'm gonna slap it on my hair. Do you hear the noise? And the smell is not pleasant. Low-key, it smells like alcohol. Okay guys, so it burns. Okay, so oh lord. Okay, so I use some on my edges because my edges need to grow. My scalp is burning, not too bad, but it's burning. The next step is I'm supposed to sit under a hooded dryer for some time until my hair gets hard, and I'm not supposed to touch it because, you know, I guess it's gonna get super brittle to the point where, like, if you touch it or try to manipulate the hair, it's gonna break off. I'm just gonna wash my hands off, and then I'm gonna get a hand dryer because I don't want a hooded dryer, and then I'm going to dry this hair. Now, as we all know, with the hooded hair dryer, you're able to distribute the heat evenly, unlike the handheld hair dryer. So I'm going to try my best to distribute the heat equally manually. I don't know how that's going to be, but I'm going to use medium heat, so I'm going to use the 2 setting. Oh my gosh, they feel like brick. I mean, look at this. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but it's like, can you hear it? Crunchy, crunch. According to the instructions, I'm supposed to hop back in the shower and then rinse the product out with just only warm water, rinse it out completely, and then towel dry your hair. I'm going to do just that. Oh, my curls look cute though, like, oh my god, but it's so crunchy. Whew. So what I'm going to do is apply this all over my hair. Okay. Oh, the texture is very thick consistency. Oh, and it smells a lot better. It smells like a hospital. Don't forget your edges. I think it's my hair soaking it up and it's loving it. Ooh, I like the shape of my hair right here. Okay, so I'm just gonna hop in the shower and rinse this out. Okay guys, ladies, so I am back. So this is the result. The curls are obviously juicy, they're bouncy. It's very well moisturized and I am loving it. Okay, so next I'm going to seal in this moisture with an oil. Sometimes I apply coconut oil, but today I'm going to apply one or only argan oil. This, I'm just gonna generously apply it all over my hair, focusing on the tips. And I'm just gonna braid it in 4. Okay, so this is how my hair looks. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. God bless you.